If you work in tech and you're still putting artificial intelligence aside, here is a direct warning. You are falling behind fast. The game has changed and it's no longer enough to just know how to code, fix tickets, or keep systems running. Today, the ones who stand out are those who know how to apply AI, cloud, and DevOps to solve real business problems with efficiency, scale, and intelligence. Those who understand this now will lead in the years ahead. Those who don't will be left behind. Maybe you are working non-stop, but you still feel stuck. Or you have got certifications, but still can't stand out. The problem is the rules of the game changed, and no one explained them to you. Companies are no longer looking for just good tech people. They want professionals who bring efficiency with AI, scalability with cloud, and reliability with DevOps. That means using AI to automate testing, generate scripts, generate code, predict failures, even support real-time decision-making. And here's the best part. You don't need to become a data scientist or machine learning engineer. You just need to learn how to use AI as a practical ally in your field. The professionals who master this new layer, blending AI, cloud, and DevOps with intention, will lead teams, take on most impactful projects, and gain more autonomy, recognition, and results. Those who don't evolve now will be stuck in a never-ending cycle of firefighting, doing tasks AI could already be doing for them. If you're ready to break free from autopilot, master AI, cloud, DevOps triad, and position yourself as a true technical strategist, this is your moment. This video marks our return to the channel, and it is just the beginning. From now on, every week, my team and I will bring you what truly matters for your growth in tech. Direct, practical content that aligns with the market actually demands. So hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell, and drop a comment below. What is your biggest challenge with AI right now? Oh, and by the way, if you want to go deeper on AI, cloud, and DevOps, check the link on the description. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Let's go for it together.